This magnificent landscape we see is Kilauea Caldera. Off in the distance you'll see some steam vents. That is actually Hulema-Uma'u crater, which is known as the heart of Pele, who is the volcano goddess. Right below me here is where a lava bench collapsed a long time ago, and the rainforest survived it, and this is some of the oldest rainforest on the island.
This is a dangerous group.
One of the many signs that the volcano is still really active. These are deep faults and fractures extend down to magma and allow gases to reach the surface at the sulfur bank.
This is a dangerous group. This is a dangerous group. This is a dangerous group. This is a dangerous group.
Gives you the feeling of being really at the mercy of Kilauea Iki. I feel kind of like a bug underfoot. At any point in time I could be squished. There's nothing I can do about it. This is a pretty surreal place. It is, you know, like the moon. Makes you feel small. Makes you feel really small. But it's beautiful, and it's a pleasure and an honor to be here. So.
This is a dangerous group that we're dealing with.
We're standing pretty much smack dab in the middle of Kilauea Iki crater. That's little Kilauea crater. All over us are these little mounds of volcanic rock, and these steam vents, the volcano's way of letting off steam, so to speak. And everywhere you see a little mound is a potential for a new eruption. Nope, not a bicycle trail. It actually used to be the old Crater Rim Drive. But the most recent lava flow, which was less than 10 years ago, actually took out the road right ahead of us, and they had to repave.
This is a dangerous group that we're dealing with now. This is a dangerous group that we're dealing with now.
Just came out of Kilauea Iki. Whew, what an awesome challenge. Anyway, come along. These big lava tubes formed long time ago. And come with us, have some fun.
This is a dangerous group that we're dealing with now.
Alright, we finished the touristy part of the cave, and we were invited by one of the rangers to go into the less explored part. You have to have proper gear and some good flashlights and headlamps in place, and apparently it's about 3 football fields long. Check it out.
This is a dangerous